Welcome to this sacred moment of morning intention, where we open ourselves to our highest purpose. Today's affirmation invites us into a profound truth. I am a channel for healing energy to flow through me. There's something deeply humbling and empowering about recognizing ourselves as vessels for healing. We don't need special training or mystical powers. We simply need to get out of our own way and allow the natural flow of love and restoration to move through us. Think of yourself as a clear stream. When the water is allowed to flow freely, it naturally cleanses and nourishes everything it touches. But when we dam it up with our fears, judgments, or need to control, the flow becomes stagnant. Healing energy works the same way. It wants to move through us, but it needs our permission and our openness. This doesn't mean we become responsible for fixing everyone around us. Rather, we become available to be instruments of peace, understanding, and gentle presence. Sometimes healing energy flows through a kind word, sometimes through compassionate silence, sometimes simply through the quality of our attention. Here's your daily habit for today. Before speaking to anyone today, take one conscious breath and silently invite healing energy to guide your words. As you move through your day, remember these companion truths. I trust the healing power that flows through my authentic presence, and my open heart becomes a source of restoration for myself and others. The world needs what flows through you when you're open and available. Thank you for beginning your day with AM Inspiration, choosing to be a vessel for what heals and restores. Win the morning, win the day.